here I have OPPO K11 and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you should open upper bar and here you can find the button screen recording. So by tap on it once you can summon this kind of menu. Here you can switch sound settings. By tap on the red button, recording will start. By holding your finger on this screen recording, you can also access some other of its settings. For example, here you can also switch microphone, here you can change picture definition, here you can change frame rate, you can record front camera video, you can show screen touches, and you can select video coding format. So after you tap on this red button, the recording starts immediately. So let's record some of our screen. As you can see, this front camera view is working. You can pause recording by tapping on this red button, then play it again once you tap on the red button once again. And when you're done recording, tap on this tick icon. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery, to the photos, to the album, screenshots or videos. It will be in both albums. And from here you can send, favorite, edit, delete your recording or perform other actions from this list. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.